I get the recording button. All right, Ray's long, 9.3, 10.14, 14.28, minus 78, minus 70. So we're getting better here. That MACD is starting its ascending uptick along with the buy bar where Ray got in. And basically what we're going to be doing here for now is watching the price action get made here, and we're going to see what kind of short covering comes in. And that's exactly what we're going to do. In the meantime, I'm just going to pause the tape for a moment, and we're going to see if we can build that momentum off of this price action here. I'm resuming the tape. We're using the stockmarketfunding.com trading platform. Look at that long wick that shot up there in price. And I'm not sure, but it's also not just on our platform, but it's also on the Realtick platform, Ray. And it shot straight up and shot straight up. So basically, we're going to have to figure out if we can hold the low. Somebody spun that bid right there. And let's take a look at our formula. Okay. Here we are. This is the stock market funding platform, direct access trading platform with formulas and price actions made in our special system. It's totally different than anything you've ever seen. But here are both charts. There's his 3-minute bar, barrel chart bar. There's his Realtick chart. We're watching this. These things are running right on time. What we will do is move the M4 over, and we're going to take a look at Ray's percent DS that slid down to 8.81. And 13.98 was the reading. And it's very unusual to see Goldman not already up $1. But nonetheless, let's take a look at the M4. It's that kind of day it's been. And basically, what it means is that it just can't get going. Is it oversold? You darn right it is. Because you're down here at 7.63. But we've got 20 minutes for a move to try to develop off of this bottom. The thing that the M4, that the MMT is saying is the next one delta down, which it's telling Goldman Sachs is below 138.61. It's alerting Ray. And it's also telling Ray that there's price action at 138.09, which is one delta down. And it does tell Ray that. It also tells Ray that there is price action at 137.57, 137.05. These are teenies. These are special mathematical ranges that stock market funding. We peg the price. Price failure, price action made. It looks like it's going to come down and test it, Ray, so don't worry about it. Okay, get ready to get it. It's right there at that price. Look at here. Right on top. That's right. 138.09. And it hit 138.08 just now. So it's at one delta. Ray, 137.57. Here, I got the numbers. You're one delta down at that price bar. If we can get above that one delta, that would be great. Okay, and we're going to see if we can come. All right, at 130. Okay, so Ray, there's the next target down, 137.57. We're long right here at the price action on the barrel. It's just that it's got to turn green now. So let's compare the our chart is here. Here, there's green. Now work your formula up. You can see both charts. One is ours. This is our application. We own this, people that are looking at this tape. This is ours. This is Realtick. $350 a month. This thing here is programmed, man, with SMF. Everything we teach you in the school happens to be programmed in this chart. Right, Ray? Dow chart. Weekly Dow Jones chart. Dow was just down 109 points, bounced a little bit. this is a bear market. We told you, go find it. This market's in trouble. You cross that 10-week, that blue line weekly crosses over the 20, say goodbye. You go into a weekly sell signal and you're holding stuff in an IRA and 401k, you better not think about it. You better go to cash. If you don't, you will pay a price. And this is what's happening on a weekly chart. And if you were in denial, go back to April 24th in the Dow history. We were telling you to get out up here. And you try, if you wrote it down here, and you're going to get it worse. And we have brought it to everyone's attention long before the move happened. Yeah, you're getting a little bit oversold on the weekly, but you are bear market Dow Jones. End of story. Go to stock market funding. Go back and look at every Dow we've ever done. Go back and look at where we call the top in here, and then look at yourself.